First things first, take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat well, exercise, pursue your own interests when you can. You must be able to meet your own primary needs so you can be fully present and patient with your child. Do your best to spend meaningful one-on-one time with your child every day, playing, reading, or just talking. Even short but meaningful interactions add up. Get to know their unique personalities and interests. Next comes the difficult part. Set clear age-appropriate rules and boundaries and be consistent in enforcing them. Follow through with calm consequences when rules are broken. Children tend to feel secure with routines and structure. Don't forget to validate your child's feelings by labeling emotions. Instead of reacting to behavior, say, I see you're feeling frustrated right now. Let's talk about it. Teach them to identify and express their own feelings in a healthy way. Admit when you make mistakes and sincerely apologize to your child when you do. Model taking responsibilities for your actions. And remember, show your child unconditional love. Encourage independence and self-sufficiency. Foster their passions and interests. Discipline with empathy and wisdom, not anger. Be present and engaged during time together. Put down your cell phone, make eye contact, and truly listen without distractions, even just for a few minutes at a time. And finally, remain patient and try to keep calm when frustrated. Model emotion control and teach them how to calm themselves.